This governor. Rafael Nadal.
Yeah. Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby?
So today was so busy. It is currently 4 o'clock. I did so many errands. So where do we start? In the morning, I woke up at 6. Didn't sleep much because yesterday was my last exam and I drank. Yeah. So this morning, woke up at 6:30, went for tennis at like 7:15, and then we finished tennis at 8. I proceeded to go to do my nails in Foreshore. How cute are these? I'm gonna want to remove them next week because these are crazy long and sharp. After that, I finished. I went to do my lashes at 11, and then I went to do my wax. I didn't even film that. I filmed the bag because I forgot to film. So I did my wax at 1. I'd wax it, of course, and then what did I do after that? And then I bought so much sushi, and I'm so excited to try. And then after that, I got my eyebrows tweezed, threaded. And I picked up my contacts. Productive day.
It's what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my way of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, they waiting for the songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. Break it down. Yes, sir. Up and then stay up, had then blow. I shouldn't play no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak, that was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. Exes change, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me feel it. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby.
When you wake up early, you just have so many hours to do things, and like, it stops you from being lazy. You get me? Anyway. That was my day. I have dinner plans today. I might film that too because I'm vlogging now. Hey guys, I woke up so sick today. And I'm going to run so many errands and questioning whether or not I should go.
So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Realize what a god them. Can't never say they got him. Yo, I bet you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing him? I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your in my grip. College, make you wanna strip.
Okay, so we're gonna do a quick outfit update. I got this from Unseen Cape Town, and then I got this from H&M. I've also decided that this will be worn. Just I'm wearing a brown costume underneath. Looks better than the other ones. Yeah, so I think that works best. So this is another outfit that we're gonna go with. I've decided to wear this tonight, and then This is another fit. I actually really like this. And I might wear the bottoms and then have the strings come up. I bought these so I can do my stuff. But yeah, I had a really bad day today. I woke up like severely sick, like I said before. And what else? Yeah, I went to Boa to do my toes and it was just a mess. Like, they didn't have a pedi station for me, so I had to do my soap off by the nail where they do their nails, and my knees were like really, really sore, and my ankles got knocked against like the table. And then what else? And then also like they switched the lady. They switched the lady that was doing my toenails. So she prepped one foot and then they switched her to go do something else, which was so annoying. That was like really rude. And I wanted like a full manicure, which is what I booked for. They didn't even inform the lady who was doing my toenails to do the manicure. So that's up to, I think I'm doing too much. Maybe I should go higher. Yeah. I was gonna fill 2 of these, but I think 1 should be enough for 3 days. Yeah, this is a lot. Anyway, let me go get ready and then I'll be back.
I know that you're drunk.
You know, this year I started feeling bad about not knowing how to do makeup, but then I realized, like, girl, just learn. And I try, like, at night I practice doing my makeup and I have nothing to do, nowhere to go. I practice doing my makeup. Still bad. Like, I can't get the foundation on nicely. So maybe the Lord's telling me, girl, chill. You're still young. No, that's a lie. I'm just embarrassed about the fact that I can't do makeup, but I'll learn. Like, I have friends who can teach me, and they'll teach me by fire by force, or they'll just end up always doing my makeup. Because when we go out to the club, which I don't enjoy doing, so no. When there's an event and I need to get my makeup done, best believe they're on cheese makeup duty. Best believe. But I'll learn. I think maybe I should take a class or something. But I really like enjoy doing minimal stuff, because then I know like I can just wake up late and still look good, because the skin is skinning all the damn time. So I'm trying something new with my edges. I usually just go straight in with gel, but I've heard that using a wax just makes things so much easier. So I'm going with wax, and if it doesn't work out, I'll just wash my edges and try again, because I don't have time. But like, I know for a fact that's not gonna get you at 5, so okay, I'm just gonna use this to try to figure out where I want the girls to go. Okay, it looks like we're doing big ones. Oh, that actually kind of works. Should I put more? This one is 1. That's 2, 3. This doesn't have enough gel on it, so I kind of want to put gel on it, so, because look, it's just too fluffy for edges. It has so much dust in it. Kind of just want to map out my edges, and then I'll go in with gel. Okay, it looks like the wax is deceiving me. I'm using this. First time using it, so we'll see how nails are crazy. You see how she holds? That is a lot of gel for just one piece. But she looks like she's gonna hold. I'm excited. I think she's white because of the wax. The black TikTok girlies lied. They said it's not white. I don't feel like eating, but I know I have to because all I ate today was a piece of chicken. Oh, and I did have like a tiny brie roll because I thought I was going to be in traffic and I knew I needed to eat, but I still haven't. This gel did what she needed to do. My goodness. Okay. I'm really impressed and happy. I'm gonna wear this lip gloss, but I need to put lip liner on first. Not only do that later, I need to film a TikTok for a company that sent me products, so I'll do that as well. You see what I'm doing with my hair.
Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty, Don't override my. That introduction. We on the long.
What do we think? What do we think? My hair is just not doing what it needs to do right now. Okay. Just sitting weird, but like, what can we do? What can you do? Okay.
Yeah. Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby?